What's up, YouTube?
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's G.Yee. It is, what is it? It's a little before midnight. On Thursday night, Nationals is tomorrow. I should be in Indianapolis, but I'm in my, apartment still. Because we didn't plan this very well, right, Lise?
Yep. YouTube.
My team's not even ready. Anyway, the chauffeur is gonna be driving me. It's like a 4-hour drive for us, so I'll be breeding adamant Kangaskhan because you know I'm stuck with that nasty jolly Kangaskhan. We gotta get rid of that, man. This one, right? This is the first one I bred, right? Where is this? With me on the screen? Yeah. I see. This one has outstanding potential overall. That's how I judge it anyway. Incidentally, I would say that its greatest potential lies in its HP, attack, defense, special defense, and speed. First egg. We bowed that life. I'm done. All I gotta do is level that thing up. Let's get it. Alright, so we got lucky with the breeding, right? But check this. The most efficient route for EV training attack is, Route 19. Not bad. I happen to be right there. Let's go check that out real quick. Let's go check that out. Oh, it's raining. As you can tell by that flashing light, I'm about to run out of batteries. What time is it? It's 3:19 in the morning. We're just going into Ohio. It's 5 a.m. Here's Lise. My freaking 3DS died. I'm pretty sure I was at like 95% full happiness. So I'm not sure how that's gonna work out, but right now our ETA is about 7 a.m., which is right when the last minute check-in is for the Masters division. Nice sunrise in the, what is it, the east? The east. Lee's chilling. We're making okay time. Gained a couple more minutes. ETA is now 6:48. Hey, what up? 6:45, I just made it. There's nobody here. I think I entered the wrong. I'll hear some people, but anyway, I found like one outlet here, so I'm gonna finish up training real quick in these 15 minutes, and then I guess I'll go look for the sign-ins. We're here. There's Big Pikachu. I ain't chilling with nobody yet, because I'm tired as balls.
You got the girlies, boy.
Anyway, so funny story. I got here with my Kangaskhan and I started trying to max out its happiness, right? So, and I thought that would be the easiest part. I got this charger right here. I was charging it up, good to go. Ran out of time before check-ins, so I gotta run with my jolly Kangaskhan tonight. I don't feel too good about that, but I mean we're gonna do what we gotta do. Maybe it'll come in handy. It can outspeed a lot of things, but I definitely prefer adamant Kangaskhan. I've been messing around with that for a little bit, but whatever, it's cool. We're about to have some player meeting or something. I don't really know, and then I think we're gonna start. So I'll let you guys know. I see a Pikachu. Just won my first match. Let's get it. You know what? The most ironic thing is that I'm pretty sure I won it because my Kangaskhan had a plus speed nature instead of adamant, so you know, maybe something's happened for a reason, but yeah, the dude I played was pretty good. Yo, do you see all these people? And right there, not the right there, you see that empty chair? That's the one dude that didn't show up, and that was my opponent. 2-0. We're watching Brazil soccer. Lise is passed out. I don't know why. She got more sleep than I did.
I'm watching Brazil.
Yeah, sure. And I'm about to sleep for the first time in I think 40 hours or something. I'm so tired. And overall, I think it was a good tournament. I'm really happy with how I did. I was right there at 5-2, and considering I just threw this team together, I haven't played doubles for months. I'm running on 0 sleep, 0 food. I really think, I'm gonna take it to the next level next year, and you know, actually do regionals and stuff leading up to nationals, and we'll see how it goes. So stick with me, y'all. I'm gonna do a lot more practicing too. So I will try to cover some stuff for you over the weekend. There's gonna be a lot of good players playing. Obviously, I am not one of them, but yeah, I was too busy today doing actual battling, so I actually didn't get you that much footage. So I'll try to get you some tomorrow or the next day. And yeah, see you guys then. I'm about to sleep forever. Any last words, Lise? Alright, bye guys.
Bye. Bye.